Okay, I just got this random urge to delete all my fucking apps, and I just did it. And I had like 48 drafts on TikTok, so I just lost all of those, which is fine. I do not need to be clinged to this material world. I feel like I'm living for the gram, and that's like not the vibe. Also, I feel like I'm just on TikTok like all day. We're pulling back our energy just because I need to focus. I need to focus on like all of my goals and aspirations in life. And you know, there's people who are really good at like not being on these apps, and I'm not one of them. I've been watching, ever since I got back from Miami, I've been watching everything in Spanish, and then also like translating everything on Duolingo. I've been doing Duolingo every day, and I've been watching everything in Spanish. But estoy tan avergonzada that I need to watch these movies in Spanish. I am so embarrassed that I need to watch these movies in Spanish because I feel like my Spanish is not that good anymore after going to Miami this weekend. It's going to be fine. It's just like, I'm like, damn. So like I went to Miami and I just got back, and I had such a good time. Oh my God. On Friday night, we were at the club, and I was just hearing Bad Bunny's new album, Un Verano Sin Ti, through these speakers, and he was mixing it with like old school reggaeton, like Don Omar, Wisin Yandel, Daddy Yankee. I was like, I fully ascended to heaven. Like I was just like, take me now. I was living at this club. The club's called Cuarto. Oh my God. What a vibe. So you did the balsamic vinegar though.
Yeah.
But did you do flavored sparkling water?
I did regular. And you need a flavor. That's what everybody was saying. Like a black cherry, like a flavor.
I can't believe you did that.
Well, I just tried it this morning, but no tenía sabor, entonces it tasted like vinegar. I was like, I told Dad, well, if it tastes like that, that'd be awesome. I could not, stop drinking. Not happening.
I just love how you have. When did you download TikTok? Like 5 minutes ago?
Last night.
You already tried the
like
balsamic?
yesterday afternoon, and then like Dad was like, "You still on it?" I was on it for like 5 hours.
It's a problem. That's why I like literally just deleted it now.
No, it was like last night I did nothing. Like after I cooked, I was just like tick tock for hours, and Dad was like,
See through the
he
glasses.
told me that one time. Was actually a Hare Krishna monk.
Really?
Yeah, because I was like. Are you making sure that you're only nasal breathing?
No, am I supposed to be doing
Yeah,
that?
you're supposed to be doing that for like future of humanity and.
The future of humanity. What are you talking about?
Yep. Yeah, I feel like you're appreciating all this a lot more now.
Oh my God, yeah, dude.
Because you live in the city, yeah. I honestly, I feel like I've been appreciating, even though I feel like I've always.
My old friend Gabriela showed me this, and it's probably the best thing ever. You mix Zug sauce with hummus from Trader Joe's. Fire. And you know what's weird? My parents don't have bread at the house, but they have the chocolate bread from Cheesecake Factory. It's not actually chocolate, but I I think me and my friend called it chocolate bread for a really long time. And this sauce is just like out of this world. Okay, so we take hummus. That looks like 2 tablespoons. I already measured everything on my app. So we're gonna do this much here. I literally, if there's anything I hate, it's getting other sauces into other sauces. So then we have a little bit of Zug, right? And then you just kind of mix it all up on here. I got hard-boiled eggs. I know. You can't boil your own eggs? No, I honestly can't. I definitely can. I'm really tired, man. I have a lot of things I have to do this week, so I was like, okay, this is gonna be easy just for this week. Next week, I will go back to I'm gonna get one hard-boiled egg. It smells like hard-boiled eggs. Cage-free. I'm just kidding, it doesn't really matter. Okay, I'm gonna slice this. This is really good with like a runny egg on it, but this is a little bit better for you. And I like to do it really thin so I can like put a lot of layers on the toast. So, black pepper, and just a little bit of salt, just because I feel like it might need a little bit of salt. And then this is an oil that my neighbor, who is a chef, he needed to borrow my blender. And I was like, okay, but you're gonna give me some of the salsa you're making in my blender, right? So he made me this, which is like this like chili crunch oil. I honestly just saw it literally at Trader Joe's and I was like, oh no, I have like that homemade dish. So it's like, I don't know if you can see, there's like chunks of chile, but then there's a lot of oil in there. So I don't want to make it too spicy, but like, I just like putting little dots of it on this. Look at how fire this looks. Every time I go home, it ends up like this. I always buy my fresh flowers here. I get my groceries here because I go to the stores here, which are so much nicer. And then I have this huge painting. And then I have my laundry basket. And then I have stuff behind that too. Now I have to go park in front of an apartment and unload all of it. Unload all of it. And then bring my car to the parking structure.
So it was thought, my friends. So it was thought. But Vecna wins. You are scared. You're tired.
I'm so tired right now. I don't want to keep doing this. So I am still watching Stranger Things because I ended up binging this entire show within like 24 hours. That's why I have my blinds closed so I can't even see. But I ended up setting up 2 tables. I took my dining table over here and I am just organizing all of my clothes right now. I'm not gonna get up because I need to like finish this show, but like once I'm done, everything will be folded, everything will be hung, and then I can like go reorganize. Can we just talk about how Stranger Things season 4 is like, you know what it is? They filmed this during 2020, so like the last time I watched Stranger Things was so long ago, but like, God, this season is so good. It's like a full-length action movie every single episode. And now I'm getting to the last episodes where they're like an hour and 30 minutes long. I have 2.5 hours left of this show. Unless the season finale is 2 hours. I don't know. But so much is happening in this show. And I'm not even one to like watch shows. Like honestly, I don't keep up with shows. I'm so happy I'm watching this. This is like, not only is the season finale an hour and a half instead of an hour, it's 2 hours and 22 minutes. This is a whole movie. Oh my God, I thought I was almost done. I am still like organizing all of these clothes, but like I am glued. This is such a good fucking season. Okay, so I've made major improvements. I took all the clothes off of that rack, put them in the closet, cleaned out my closet, vacuumed my closet, cleaned the floor on that side. I'm hitting a wall, but I am not done. I am not done. Also, one of my old coworkers lives like I can look out my window and look into her window in my apartment complex. So this morning I like went to and she's like, ah, and I was like, good morning. And it was like just interesting to like yell out the window. I feel like, I don't know. My dad was telling me this story about when he lived in Venezuela. He lived in like this really huge apartment complex, like 250 families of like 4 or 5 people in each apartment. And he was telling me how he would have it on the first floor, friends on his floor. And like, that is just such a concept for me because I've never lived like not in a house except for now. Like this is my first time living in an apartment complex. But when I was in Venezuela, I just remember she had like a clothing line that would like dry her clothes. And she shared that line with someone else. So it's like in the morning, she would have to be like, hey, how are you? Right? I don't know. It was cool. I was like, wow, is this what it was like? Like you wake up and you just say hi to someone. Like, I don't know. We're just so, I think the word is like secular in the United States. Like we're just so closed off that it's like interesting. It's very interesting.
keep stirring. This is not a stir
You're right.
kind of a rice.
That call roast rice is really hard. It's not gonna cook right.
Where did Sandy go? You could have one of those.
Oh.
See this, the technique?
There's some of these
Very much, lots of technique.
See the technique here?
Mm-hmm.
The days where they pour out
See,
the
you
soup
think I've
water,
been doing this for
if you go
40
with
years.
katsu,
I'm filling up my little pill box, okay? Bro, like, why do vitamins, like, good quality vitamins cost a lot of money? Like, it's just as much as health insurance. But anyways, I'm taking the My Whole Kind Women's Daily. Then I'm trying to have, like, 1 vitamin C packet a day. I use these ones. The emergencies, 1 a day. Then I heard about bromelain, I'm not sure, but Ariana Grande talked about it when she was on The Voice and she gave people like supplements to use. And as a vocalist, I talked to my voice teacher about it. It's a pineapple enzyme like extract that like helps with inflammation in your throat. And with the voice problems that I have, I'm gonna do anything I can. Then I have this super mushroom, 6 mushroom blend. I think this was like my best bet, was getting like all of them in here. And the ones that are in here are cordyceps, which are very good for like energy and like you can honestly use cordyceps as like a pre-workout. Then chaga is really good for beauty. Lion's mane is really good for your mind. It's like super, super good for, I'm not even reading this, I just know this. Lion's mane is really good for like memory, brain activity. Like if you're gonna have a really brain heavy job, like lion's mane is a good one to take. Maitake, I'm not 100% sure, but I remember hearing it was good for sleep. And same with shiitake. And then no, reishi is really good for sleep. Reishi is good for sleep and also I think beauty. But then I like this ashwagandha. It's a healthy stress response, and let me tell you, I need that. So I'm gonna put 2 in there. And then I'm gonna do biotin, which I already put in there. So tonight for dinner, Jaclyn Hill. I'm a fan. She's a little like, you know, she has her moments, but I'm a fan. And she just uploaded a Doritos taco bowl salad that she makes. And I don't know why that just made me really want to make it. And at work, I had a little bag of Doritos. So I'm definitely making that tonight. I am so excited right now. Okay. Where it's just been a few days. A few too many days. Yo, this looks fire. I know that this isn't very traditional. This is very American, but damn, does this look good. What a vibe. And I'm an old lady and I have this little thing. Yeah, that's how I watch my TV. Even though I have a dining table, it just isn't positioned correctly. And I'm gonna watch The Hills, okay? I don't know why, I'm like kind of back and forth with this show. This show's kind of getting old. It's kind of getting, whatever. I'll watch it. It can't be better than anything else. I finished The Kardashians, which was great. And, oh God, this looks so good. Actually, I'll give you guys like first bite review. I just made all these frames, by the way. Like my Miami frame, and then I have like more Florida frames. Let me get a bite of the Doritos in there. Oh my god. That is so fire. Oh my god. This is dangerous. Honestly, you don't need Doritos to make this. You can just use like tortilla chips or like tostada. Bro, this is so fire. You can even throw more veggies in there. Oh my god. Life is really good. Life is really good.